All right, everyone, I'm going to show you really quickly how to find the math template that was created and bring it into your math class or your sandbox or however you want to do it. But so the first thing you want to do is sign into Canvas. I've already done that. You can just go through Clever to get into Canvas. And then you're going to want to go to the course, or sorry, and then we're going to go ahead and go into Commons. So in Commons, we're going to search Shaw. And we have three templates here. Once you bring them into your course, you can change them and do whatever you need to, and it's not going to affect any of the ones that are in the Commons. So once I click on this one, this was the home page. I can get a quick little preview of the home page, and then I'll click Import Download, and then choose which class I want it to go to. I have two Sandbox classes. I have to differentiate between both of them. So I put it in both. Once I select the course, then I choose import, and it's going to go back. So um, it's going to start that process. So I'm going to go back to Commons again. And now this is the days of the week. So I will import this one as well. Import. And then I'll do the exact same process for the weeks of the month. Select my class, and then choose import. So then, once I go to my courses and I go to my sandbox, now it looks like nothing has been brought in, but that's because those templates are set up as pages, not modules. So through that series, it's going to be a creation of pages for all of the assignments and things like that. But so if I come over here to pages, we can see, if I do view all pages, now I have my three pages that are here. The home page was made with the links. So over here it was use as front page. There we go. So that way when I go to pages, I'm going to see this page here first. Now from this page, because this is what I want all of my students to see when they sign into math, I have to link all of these pages together, or I have to link them to kind of where they want to go. So under edit, I will click on a button, and then I'll put the link to that particular button. So down here for our assignments, August is going to be a link, and the next page that it's going to go to is the days of the or the weeks of the month, because it's going to be separated week 1, week 2, week 3, week 4. So I'll choose make link, and since it's inside of Canvas, it's going to be a course link. It is a page, and so this is going to be weeks of the month for August. Now, the reason why I named it August, because when I copy it, I will then do weeks of the month for September, weeks of the month for October, and so forth. So that way I have access, so I can keep a running list of all the weeks of the month. So we're going to click that one. I'm not going to link September, October, and November because we're not in those months yet. So those are going to stay grayed out. Now my Zoom link, you'll get your Zoom room code from Zoom, and that's what you will link to the students. So that way they click on it and it just opens up Zoom. Same thing with iReady, your class schedule. I can work with you on creating a page for that once that gets solidified. Parent support, whatever parent support that's given to you, you can link out to those as well. So once I finish my linking, I click Save. and now this page is good to go. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to come back home, and that's going to be my home page for math. So I'm going to select choose home page, and it's going to be my pages front page, and click save. So now when I go home, when I click on home, I have this here. When I click on August, it's going to take me to the weeks of the month. Now what we will end up doing is having to put dates on these buttons, and that's fine. That's an easy enough thing to do. So I want to now link week 1 to where it needs to be. So I'm going to click edit. Scroll down, we're going to select link 1. Now it already came linked, which is fine, but I'll show you how to link it. So we're going to link, it's going to be a course link, it's going to be a page, and it's going to be days of the week. 2, 3, and 4 are grayed out because we're not there yet. And then I'll click save. So now when I click on week 1, it's going to take me to the first week in August. So again, we would put dates. That way everything can get differentiated. I put my assignments in the chart, and then I create any links to those that I need to. This one links to a quiz. So it's not found because that wasn't part, I didn't put that in commons because that was just an example. So these links that you see that are in the template are not going to actually be links that you would use. You're going to have to change those. Those are just examples. Then when it comes to getting into September, October, and those other months, we're going to go back to view all pages. And we're going to have to copy some of these pages because if I bring it back into from Commons, it's going to replace things, and we don't want that to happen. So I will select this, or actually I'll come over here to the 3 dots and choose duplicate. And then I will choose edit, so I can edit the title. And this is September. The days of the week, August, and that's the first week. So I'm going to have to duplicate this a couple of times because well, actually, with August, you don't really have to duplicate it because there's not that much time. We don't have a lot of days, so I'll delete those. But when I get to September, then I'm going to want to duplicate the days of the week. Okay. So that's just how you find the template. That's how you can kind of edit things really quickly. If you need special buttons or you want to change colors, just let me know. I'll work with you on creating buttons for your course. All I did was use PowerPoint to create them. You can see here they're black and white and colored. So if you want something, just let me know, and we'll work together to get it taken care of. So I hope this helps, and let me know whatever you need. Thanks.